It is what, day what, 4? Day 5?
Day 4.
Day 4 in Hawaii?
We're on day 5.
Day 5. Let me sit there. Well, good morning, everybody. Payne's over here eating cereal. Jackson's still asleep. Good morning, babe.
Are you ready to go?
I'm ready to go.
Where are we going? We have arrived.
Huh? Oh, no drone zone. Dang it.
There's fire ants.
There's fire ants?
Look. Where is it? Hibiscus and plumerias.
Wow.
Hey, look at and this yellow one.
Babe, Reagan said there's hibiscus and
There's pink
plumerias here.
plumerias.
How many times have you been here?
This is mine and your second time, and the kids' first time, but you and me didn't get to go to the top because it was closed, so.
Yeah. What's it say in that sign, babe?
Yeah. But it's okay.
That sign said experienced hikers only. And you
I'm
said
an experienced hiker in my crop. Question number 100. That's not question 100, that's question.
You guys hear all the sounds?
Yeah. Jack, you hear
You want these?
It's gonna be cold, alright? Excuse us. It's cold, huh?
Sure, you got food in there. They're on my feet, bro. They're flipping off. You go in front of me.
Like literally? That probably took longer than I thought it would. That waterfall right there though, guys, that's why we got Crocs. So we could walk through that. What do you think so far? You know what's crazy? You know what's crazy? No one's complained yet. They don't know why they're doing this, but they're doing it. It's so funny.
Uh-huh. Wherever the people are going.
Be careful, guys. Hold on.
My ankle's messed up and my new platform.
Yeah. Yeah, people here. So what's happening? Are we all gonna get in the water? Yeah, buddy? There's like less small rocks right here.
I literally feel like Jurassic Park ride.
So you haven't done that since you were what?
15 and I'm 35. That's like 20 years.
That's 20 years ago. Hey, did you guys have fun on this one?
Yeah.
You guys swam underneath the waterfall. How cool is that?
Cool. A picture of it or a video? I think you videoed it on my phone of us swimming under.
Yeah. Just walk. We got a flat tire, aka a rock. Hey, step right there, look.
We have two options. We either go up and get chicken, which I'm gonna have to see how long of a drive that is, or we go back to Paella, get something there. I think they have a pizza place there, and like go to a beach over here. Those are our two options.
Okay.
It's up to Dad.
If no one knew any better, they would think that these two right here are like little twins.
Yeah, they are. Mom.
Little beach bum kids right there.
The walk down to this little spot.
I love Hawaii. This is literally paradise, babe. What?
You said that.
If a fire ant bites your eye,
Yeah.
you'll go blind.
Look, it's blind. Repeat stink.
Repeated stings.
Blind pet.
Oh, poor fetal lice. The joke is Reagan's nickname is Bamboo. So she's out here living her life next to the bamboo. Now we gotta find our Jeep out of all these Jeeps. Ours is the only purple one. 3 red Jeeps
Yeah, that's too much.
and 1 purple one. Wait, what do we name the Jeep, guys?
Barney.
Barney.
Dad, there's ducks. There's ducks. Dad,
There's
when
ducks.
you turn, Dad, so
There is ducks.
when you turn, I hit the thing, and then I hit Jackson.
Are you
I fell
serious?
forward. I was like this.
Let's go to this fruit stand, kiddos.
Look at this.
You want banana bread? Thank you.
Look it, it's the mini bananas.
They are mini bananas.
I want this.
A coconut?
And a banana.
How many and some bananas?
3 for $2.
3 for $2? You get 3, baby. Find the 3 you like. Can we get 2 coconuts? Thank you. What do you want, bud?
Banana.
We have some over here. You want to eat it right now? Okay. So. What's up, baby?
Bananas.
You should try one. Or we can wait to eat it all over there.
I want to try it.
Okay, try it. She's gonna try her banana, babe. You recording?
There's one that's open because I took it off.
open first.
Yeah, because I took it off the peel. I think it's this.
Yeah,
I'll
hold
put
this
it in my
back for
mouth.
you. A little baby banana.
It's so cute.
Little monkey banana. Oh, you forgot a piece. How is it? It's delicious? Oh my god. It's sweet too.
The monkey's eating a banana.
Jack's up. I gosh, she's cutting the coconut. Every year we come, we stop right here. We like this place.
Thank you.
Wow. Coconut water.
Coconut water.
I want to try it.
It's
Try
so
it, Abba.
good. Careful.
After.
Oh, baby, hold on. Hold on.
Ready?
One more time.
Jackson, you want to try some coconut water?
No. Coconut water.
Once we're done drinking the coconut, she cuts it up and we eat it. Look, get right here, Jax. Make sure you tell him thank you.
Hello.
Abba.
It's good. So 2 coconuts, 2 banana bread, and then the banana.
Coconut water. He's waiting to eat his banana bread. I see you, Jax.
2 coconuts? Mm-hmm.
How is it, baby?
It's so good.
How is it, Peyton?
Good. Oh no!
Where's the other coconut?
They're both in here.
Oh, okay. That looks... Okay, so we got 2 loaves of bread. Who wants to be the first one to try this one? Austin. And then Jackson was waiting very
Jackson's
patiently
the
for
first
that.
one.
The long-awaited banana bread. You guys ready? This is our 3rd coffee spot?
3rd coffee. Where's the first place we got coffee? Oh wait, it was in the Sugar Beach. Maybe that one was a honey. I don't remember. I did not like that coffee. You had to add a lot of stuff to it. The coffee we got in the Haina was really good, and this is really good.
She don't call me baby. She don't call me
Baby.
baby beach. This is a new beach we've never been at. We're gonna try it out. Reagan's a little cranky because she didn't want to come to this beach, but you know what? It's all right. It's all right. Hi, babe.
Hi.
So we stopped at that beach. We didn't find anything.
I mean, I found those sea urchin things, and then Bain stepped on a sea urchin. I found sea urchin exoskeletons.
In the midst of all that, Payne started limping off the water.
What happened, Peyton?
I was looking for shells and then the water wasn't clear, so I put my foot down to see if I could stand, and I felt something poke my foot, and I got out and I'm pretty sure I stepped on a sea urchin.
Yeah, I saw it. It looks black in there.
No, it's in there. When I was looking at her foot, you can see it sticking out. Well, there's a first time for everything.
First time.
You go get food,
Because they don't want to see.
and then I'll go get tweezers. Where are you going, baby?
Well, green.
You know, get some tweezers and some band-aids. We've been here before. Last year when we were here, what did we get here, baby?
A dress for me.
It was,
And Mom.
Yeah, that's right. All right, so we're at the beach now. Get a little tweezer set. Look how cute that is. And we got our patient right here. Right on the toe. That one has to come out, Ava. I know.
I know.
Okay. We're finally at the beach. We like this beach a lot. This is our 2nd time being here though, but we really like it. Hi, cousin.
Hi.
I don't know, but
Whoa. Exoskeleton? Here comes one, baby. Here comes the big one. Hi, babe.
Hi, babe.
You having fun? Of course, Payne's eating. Hi, cousin.
Hi, cousin.
I'm gonna get you.
No, wrap that towel on.
Hi, babe.
Hi. Now hold this one.
We're leaving. We're leaving.
It's so pretty, huh?
No.
I think he left it in the bathroom.
Look how beautiful this is.
Very good.
Babe, what do you think about this day right now?
It was a really good day. It's very pretty right now.
It is very
Look
pretty.
at how pretty that island is. I just don't feel like I've ever seen it like over there like that.
Try not to let the water touch your foot.
Can you record them?
Okay, ready?
This is-
Ready? Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
You guys want to move here?
Yes! Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. Does Mom want to move here?
Yes, I do.
Well, that pretty much sums it up for our day, guys. We're gonna go back home and shower up. Call it a night. So beautiful out here. Tell everybody bye.
Bye.